Hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to Fasia. My name is not Fasia, but I call myself Fasia. Yay! And today I'm back with another reaction video. Okay, let's do it quick because I always stop myself. I'm my biggest up. Why? A$AP Rocky, Helicopter, he dropped new album, okay? One thing I must say, sorry, I do have to ramble a little bit. The first proper concert I went to in my life was an A$AP Rocky concert. A$AP Mob, A$AP, oh my god, like that was literally when I was 15 years old. That was years ago. I remember I was 15, it was in Germany. Oh my god, I was such an A$AP fanatic. And I touched A$AP. Sorry, right, Rihanna? Not like this, not like that. But he stage dived, he crowd surfed, and he was there. And I was just happy. I was like, that was cool. That was cool. He was just not on some crazy shit. I was a shy girl, okay? I was a nerd. I was low-key like a tomboy. I used to wear like hella baggy and shit. Like right now, this is nothing. Like, you know what I mean? Like I used to be like very tomboy-ish. People could have thought I was a stud, but I wasn't. I just liked going to the men's section, okay? So yeah, it wasn't a thing like that, Riri. I love them together so much. But yeah, Helicopter, let's go. I'm excited for the video because we all know A$AP Rocky always goes crazy with the visuals, so I'm really excited, okay? A$AP Rocky, Helicopter, let's have a listen, let's go. As I said, if I don't catch every single bar, don't come for me. I'm not English. Oh my god, this video looks already crazy. It looks like MTV back in the days. Okay. What's that? AI, what's that? GTA, what's that? What's going on? I love it already, I guess. The beat.
We have just received word, the album by A$AP Rocky.
Yo, this is coming like a GTA film.
4,500 on a Hummer, no gas, 89 price on the ticket. Exercise, eat all my vegetables, fuck us some decibel, bout hit, bitten. Stunning about the hunters, gonna come in no fast. Shut it, gon' bag it, lick it. Get red packet, ship it. Nigga from rack to riches.
No, wait. There's a lot to take in. Guys, I love me some good ass visuals. And the thing is, I feel like people will be so easy and quick to say, oh, AI, but it looks like there is so much more into this, yeah? It's given GTA, it's almost given like, oh yeah, it was just done a GTA version of whatever, but it's not, because you can see, if you look closely, it actually looks like he got filmed properly, like somehow like you can see, there's a texture to it, I don't know. And I love the whole, man, there's so much, this is so American, like, to me, like, when I look at this, it looks so American. Coming from Germany, like, this is what we see. It's giving, like, video game, Vice City, GTA, MTV, and freaking, I don't know, obviously New York, because he's a New York guy. This is fire, okay? Let's go back a little bit, I can't lie. I freaking love this. Let's go back a little bit. And let me listen to the bars.
We have just received word, the album by A$AP Rocky.
The news, freaking Helicopter.
4,500 on a Hummer, no gas, 89 price on the ticket.
Ooh.
Exercise, eat all my vegetables, fuck us some decibel, bout hit, bitten.
Ooh.
Stunning about the hunters, gonna come in no fast. Shut it, gon' bag it, lick it.
What?
Get red packet, ship it.
What?
Nigga from rack to riches, dumb shit. Act like you don't know, run shit. On the front porch in the front shit, I checkin' my sneakers, no checks on my sneakers, just Puma got me in the goodie grim. Pull up to the church in my hoodie then. I'm about to get money, but should he then?
No way. Guys, I might be a bit too young, but I kind of remember there used to be like a sport where people get like their little, not Hot Wheels, but they're kind of truck little things, robots, and they fight each other. Or am I bugging? It feels like an unlocked memory or something that I used to see on TV. Not the car saying pussy, that's funny.
Mercedes, the pussy whip like Killer Cam. My braids looking like I could be Jim. They looking around like that could be them. Lot of eyes around and you could be them. And we talking about pockets, you know my fat. We talking about chases, they could be thin. On the line, another dollar, let me in. Who get more pussy than the lesbian? hanging from the helicopter, Spider-Man.
Helicopter Spider-Man, that's funny. See, that's what I mean. Already mosh pit ready. Mosh pit ready. Yo, New York is gonna go crazy. New York is gonna, not even New York, like imagine him performing this in Europe. This shit, people actually gonna finna lose their mind. This gonna go crazy. Ooh, I just had an idea, like a thought. What? Imagine Rihanna coming with him on tour in Europe. Yo, do you know how crazy that would be? Imagine just her on stage somehow, somewhere. Okay, maybe she wouldn't be on stage. I don't know, but that would be fire. That would be so lit looking at it. That would be historical, I can't lie. Momentum. What are they doing? Are they on the highest? Okay. Untouchable.
Niggas do anything for a new check. Nowadays, these days, niggas do anything for a blue check. Check. When tennis shoes had the check. Or 3 stripes on the side. Way before Puma cut the check. Yeah. 3 stripes, that's your life. Niggas running out of sweat. Nigga running out of breath.
Do you know what I love? I love the fact that the helicopter, normally, obviously, if somebody's on the highest or something and the helicopter, you know, there's whoever the feds on you, they were trying to catch you, obviously. But it's kind of, he's making like an irony out of it. Like, they got the helicopters for some reason, or it's just like, I don't know, there's like a irony behind it. Let me pay attention. There's too much going on. How can I focus just on the song and the music? Like, there's a lot. This is something I have to go back and go back and go back if I want to like watch the video and listen to the bars. Like, it's so fire.
Niggas running out of time. Yeah, niggas running in the debt. Worth of everything I've been in it. In the internet, niggas set the trend.
No way live streaming.
Then they run and do it and then forget who did it best.
Okay. I'm sorry I have to say this. I'm sorry I have to say this. But imagine A$AP Ferg on this right now. Imagine A$AP Ferg on this right now. This is sounding kind of like old A$AP, or am I tripping? I don't know what old A$AP really is, but you know, A$AP Rocky is very versatile. I love when he does like his melodic stuff. Like, I love when artists get out of their comfort zone, but this really reminds me on like, I don't know, it reminds me really on A$AP when I was like, on like mob shit a little bit, you know. If I could go crazy, what does it? I swear he always is like a hoo, or something like that. Anyways, it is what it is.
It appears that a group of young men are riding along with rookies in a helicopter behind them.
Okay, get down, get down. Everybody get down.
We're here.
Jeez.
As America records, A$AP Rocky is being swapped into his own home.
He taking that shit easy. Oh, damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, guys, what? That was A$AP Rocky, okay. Helicopter. Crazy, obviously. And yeah, man, can't lie, man. That was definitely good. This makes me miss New York. I've only been to New York once, and I think I had a good experience. I went for 4th of July randomly. Not randomly, I had a reason, but I didn't know 4th of July was happening during that time because I didn't really... I forgot that it was a holiday or something to celebrate because I'm from Europe. It's not really a thing over here. But yeah, I was only there for like 4 days and it was fire. New York is gonna see me very soon, can't lie. But yeah, that was A$AP Rocky. If you guys loved the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all socials at Fasea. And yeah, have a go out, okay? Comment down below. Even though this copyright stuff is really pissing me off, fuck it, let's get it to 50k my channel, okay, and hopefully soon I can make some money. But I love music, that's why I decided to come back, really. You know, I just love doing music, listening to music as well, and doing. So yeah, why not react to it? I'm actually loving it. So yeah, bye guys, see you guys, bye.